Today I'm taking a look at the Yiyeie 1/4" drive torque wrench screwdriver set. So this actually has an insert with two-tone color on it. That is nice. So these do just pull out, and I do like that they're color-coded, so all the flatheads are yellow. There's actually quite a few different flatheads in this set. We got hex, but one of the nice things about this set is that we got standard as well as metric. So we got our metric hex drivers up here. We got our square. We got a whole bunch of torques from a T8 up to a T40. Everything from a Phillips 0 up to a Phillips 3. We actually got two Phillips 2s and posi drive bits. So if things get interesting, we have a bunch of very unique bits. So if you need to torque down something as some kind of a security bit, there's a bunch of different options in here. Very interesting. I've never even seen one like this before. It looks like some kind of a spanner, but being able to torque a spanner is pretty cool. Very big flathead, bunch of different security bits. Got a long Phillips, we got an offset plus, got a bunch of what look like punches. I'm not really sure what the benefit of that being in a torque wrench would be, because they aren't completely around. I might be way off base though. Maybe there's actually a benefit for that. Maybe we got a female flathead. It also comes with a slider handle, so if you need to have something more like a breaker bar, we can do that, or more like a T-handle, we got that. And it has a 1/4" to 1/4" bit holder as well. We also got an extension. It is about 4 inches in total length, so probably 3 to 3.5 in usable length. And that is just a magnetic bit holder on the end. But here is the driver, so you can see the torque setting on the bottom, as well as an indicator on the top. It's a very nice rubber grip on it. So the bottom is plastic, but the top is rubber, and it is a pull style chuck. So if we want to adjust it, we grab this guy, pull it, and give it a twist. As we spin it, we're going to get our course adjustment there, and then we can see the exact adjustment there. So we're looking at about 23.5. So that means that this can adjust from 10 to 70 inch-pounds. So that is a nice range for a very minimal torque. This is nice. They even gave us a little chart. So if we want to convert from inch-pounds to Newton meters, we multiply by 0.1130. And we have a certificate of calibration, so I know somebody actually looked at this to make sure that it was actually correct. When they set it to 10, they got a 10.3, 10.2, and 10.3. That is very accurate. 35, they got a setting of 35.7, 35.4, and 35.5. And at 70, they got 70.8, 70.9, and 70.7. So these readings are excellent. They're all within 1 inch-pound. Cool. So the bits slide in nice. So if we want to torque something that's be going into an aluminum or a plastic, we want to make sure we're not going to be stripping it out. Very nice. So when it reaches that set torque, it just kind of slips like a clutch. So this is a very nice tool. On top of that, just the weight of this, like this feels nice. This doesn't feel like some dinky little thing. This feels fairly premium. And with that, along with the nice foam insert that we got in here, I mean, realistically, it looks like we could just pull this whole thing out and use the case independently, or even just take this and throw it right into our toolbox. So I'll have a nice presentation for it. This is a very nice set. I'm very happy with that.